Hello po to our mga kaagapay sa PWD Fellowship. Ako po si Pastor Paulo Sanchez, Executive Director ng ating pong partner at ating pong mga kapatid sa God is Able Ministries. And we want to greet you a blessed, Christ-filled and overflowing 5th year anniversary. Ang nakakatuwa ho, pag 5th year anniversary o any birthday, any anniversary, we become more aware about time, yung oras at panapanahon. And ito pong anniversary is a good time for us to remember ano nga bang ginawa ni Lord the past year. Ano ba yung ginagawa ngayon ni Lord this year? Because God is able in all times and seasons, even for us persons affected by disability. At ano pang gagawin ni Lord na mas maging inclusive, mas maging belonging communities ang mga churches natin at communities natin. So keep to time. Keep sensing and keep talagang journeying, aligning with the time of the Lord. Nalala ko sa John 9:4, sabi, we must work the works of Him, the works of Jesus who is sent by God. Because night is coming. Night is coming, wala na ho tayong magagawa. But while it is day, tayo po ay makiisa sa Panginoong Jesus at gawin ho natin ang kanyang healing, redeeming, transforming works sa mga buhay at pamilya ng persons affected by disability. That is a wonderful use of our time. So whether anniversary man or hindi, let us work and let us walk in God's time. It is always a good time to include, to belong, to love, to serve with, like what you're doing, and realize inclusive communities, just like what you're doing, persons and families affected by disability. Again, a blessed 5th year anniversary. Walk lang tayo kay Lord, and we are so glad to have you as our partners, brothers, sisters, dear friends in this wonderful ministry. God bless po. Enjoy po kayo. We love you.